Today, we're re-exploring a topic that is bound to raise a few eyebrows. Which countries have the friendliest women? Now, before you jump to conclusions, let's be clear. We're not talking about romantic conquests or pickup lines. We're looking at cultures where women are generally friendly, open to conversation, and comfortable interacting with foreigners in public spaces. It's about feeling welcome, not about romantic potential. Think relaxed social norms, a willingness to chat with strangers, and the kind of hospitality that makes you want to extend your stay. There's no need for small talk filters here. They'll tell you exactly what they think, and they're genuinely interested in learning about different cultures. The women here are expressive, social, and will probably make you feel like part of the family within minutes. True story. I once asked for directions, and ended up being invited to a family barbecue. Talk about hospitality. Just don't mistake their directness for rudeness. It's all part of the charm. Filipino women are renowned for their friendliness and excellent English skills. Portuguese women, especially in smaller towns, are incredibly warm and relaxed. They'll happily chat with you over a coffee or help you navigate the winding streets. And if you attempt even a few words of Portuguese, you'll be treated like an old friend. Mexican women are incredibly hospitable and fun. They're group-oriented, so you might find yourself suddenly part of a large, lively gathering. Just go with the flow. It's all part of the experience. In some places, chatting with someone you don't know is totally normal, while in others, it might be seen as odd or even rude. And let us not forget about gender norms and independence. Societies where women have more freedom and social interactions naturally tend to feel more approachable. Swedish women are respectful, curious about foreigners, and while they might not initiate conversation, they're incredibly kind once you break the ice. Language comfort is a big one. Countries where English is widely spoken tend to rank higher in approachability. Then there's the openness to tourism. Places that welcome a lot of visitors tend to be more accustomed to interacting with foreigners. They might just help you make some amazing connections on your travels. Brazilian women are known for their open body language and socially extroverted nature. Was it a random chat at a bus stop in Brazil? We get lost? So you don't have to. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and always, always be respectful. Safe travels. A lively debate over pasta in Italy. We want to hear your stories. In Colombia, they'll say hi, invite you to dance, and feed you in the same hour. It's all part of the wonderful tapestry of global social norms. Even a simple hello or thank you can go a long way. Second, don't assume friendliness equals flirting. It's usually just hospitality. Pay attention to social signals and respect personal space. And please, for the love of all that is holy, don't film strangers without permission. Nothing kills a friendly vibe faster than an unwanted camera in the face. Do you be surprised if you're re-invited to join a group at the beach or a street party within minutes of arriving? Here are a few tips to keep in mind. Just remember, friendliness doesn't equal flirting. It's just part of the vibrant culture. From the direct charm of Dutch women to the warm hospitality of Filipinas, each culture has its own unique way of making connections. Pro tip, compliment their English. They take pride in their language skills. They're always ready with a smile and eager to help lost tourists. Thai women are famously friendly, with a calm and polite communication style. They might seem shy at first, but show genuine interest in their culture, and you'll find them opening up quickly. Just remember to keep things respectful. The culture values modesty. Just be prepared for some curious questions about your life back home. They're genuinely interested. This is all about cultural openness, social ease, and the kind of warm welcome that makes you feel right at home, even when you're thousands of miles away. Picture this. You're wandering through a bustling market in Thailand, completely lost and struggling with your phrase book. Don't be surprised if you're invited to join a lively discussion or even a family meal. Italians love sharing their culture, so showing interest in local customs or food is a great way to start a conversation. Suddenly, a local woman notices your confusion, flashes a warm smile, and offers to help. That, my friends, is the kind of approachability we're talking about today. So, what exactly do we mean by approachable? Now, let us jet set around the globe and explore the top 10 countries where striking up a friendly conversation is as easy as saying hello, or whatever the local equivalent might be. First stop, the good old USA. Americans, particularly women, are known for their confident and direct communication style. Do you want to be surprised if a stranger strikes up a conversation while you're waiting in line for coffee? It's not weird, it's just how they roll. Just remember, that friendly "how are you" is more of a greeting than an actual inquiry about your well-being. Hopping across the pond, we land in the Netherlands. Dutch women are refreshingly straightforward and egalitarian. Now, let's salsa our way to Colombia. If you thought Americans were friendly, wait until you experience Colombian warmth. Speaking of hospitality, our next stop is the Philippines. Let's cool things down a bit in Sweden. Now, you might have heard the Scandinavians are reserved, but don't let that fool you. Time to heat things up again in Brazil. For a more laid-back vibe, Portugal is our next destination. Let's head to the land of smiles. Thailand. Mamma mia, it's time for Italy. Italian women are expressive, warm, and familiar. Last but not least, we're heading south of the border to Mexico. Now, you might be wondering why some cultures seem more approachable than others. Well, there are a few factors at play. Cultural attitudes toward strangers play a huge role too. But here's the thing, folks. No matter how friendly a culture might be, it's crucial to approach people respectfully. First, learn a few words in the local language. As we wrap up our whirlwind tours of approachability, let's take a moment to appreciate the beautiful diversity of social interactions around the world. Remember, in Sweden, they might not say hi first, but if they do, they probably like you. So, whether you're planning your next adventure or just daydreaming about far-off lands, keep these cultural insights in mind. Before we sign off, here's a little challenge for you. Drop a comment below telling us about the friendliest conversation you've had while traveling.